Tide current calculation, practice problem 1. On the 9th of November 2023 at 3:30, you're inbound at Charleston Harbor entrance buoy 10, ACT 6611. What is the direction and velocity of the current you're encountering as you pass buoy 10? See illustration DO58NG. Okay, so they want to know about the 9th. Let's just jot this down. On the 9th, you're inbound here at buoy 10, the direction and velocity. They want to know the direction, what's that equal, and the velocity of the current. Okay, cool. So we need to find buoy 10, ACT 6611. So here we are, ACT 6611, buoy 10. So we're going to be using this top graph. And now, what's the direction and the velocity at 3:30? So here we got, this is midnight, and then 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 12 o'clock. We want 3:30. So here's 3 o'clock. We're just a little bit past 3 o'clock. And we follow it up. We're right about here, or just to the right of this line. So it looks like about 0.1. Let's round it to 0.1. So the velocity is 0.1. What is the direction? So we're past this midline. That's mean we're in flood. Mean flood direction is 280 true. So the direction would be 280. Okay, let's check this out. So number one, we have 0.1 at 280. 0.1 at 280. We're looking at C. 1 is C. There we are. 1 is C. Okay, we'll do 3 more of these in the videos, and then you'll have 4 of them to do on your own. See you in the next one.
If you find these videos helpful, consider using US Captain's Training as your course provider when getting your captain's license.